disconnect the battery. So get to the battery in the back, just use a 10mm socket, remove the negative cable, loosen it up, just slide it off and out of the way. Make sure it doesn't arc out on there. Take these two trim clips out, just use a trim tool. Take the center part out first. And take the push pin out. Do the same on that side. I'm going to take these two bolts out on this side and the two on the other side as well. On this side I'll just use a wrench, a 13mm, and the other side I can use a socket and a ratchet. And slide this bar out of the way. We want to take this cover off, twist this right here. There's one over here as well. And one on that side. And just grab it, slide it up, and just pull the cabin filter out. I'm just going to use a bungee cord, just go around the wiper arm, just to hold this up. And just keep that out of the way. I'm going to take these 4 bolts out. I'm going to use a T30 socket. And just grab this piece. You should be able to slide it up. And just slide this out. And throw all those leaves out. Now I'm going to use a 5mm hex bit and take these 4 bolts out. There's 2 in the front, 2 in the back. And just slide this cover off. Just like that. To remove the coil, disconnect the connector. I'm just gonna slide this tab up, just like that. And then the connector's gonna slide out. It's gonna slide straight down. You can grab the coil, just rotate it a little bit back and forth. Try to slide it out as you pull. Now we're gonna pull out the rest of the coils the same way. Now we can put the coils back in. And reconnect them. Get the connector lined up and push down and lock. Do the same for the others. All right, now we can line these wires up. Put this through this retainer there. All right, slide the wire through here. Put the bolt through. We'll tighten that down. And snug that up. That's good. And slide this thicker wire on top. And slide that right there. Put the nut on. And snug this up. That's good. Put the cover back there and line the cover up right here and lock it in place. All right, take the cover, line the cover up. Take the bolts, get all the bolts started, and just snug these up. Not too tight. Take this panel, get this lined up. All right, get that to line up. Get these bolts started. And just snug these down. I'll take the bungee cord away, put the cabin filter back in, slide that in position. Actually goes this way. And that looks good. Put the cover on, tighten these down, turn the locks And take this bar, line this up, put these bolts in, 2 on this side, 2 on the other side. And this side I'll just use a ratchet wrench, tighten these down, snug them up, and take these push pins, line these up. And lock it down. There we go. Now we're going to reconnect the negative battery cable and tighten up the nut. Just make sure you wiggle it, make sure it's tight. That's good.